Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the absolutely most perfect cup of Americano coffee. If you're a coffee lover, enjoy a good cup of Americano. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to have elite coffee, medium roast, and make sure it is marked with the percolator coffee machine. We'll talk about that in a minute. You need a personal coffee press, hot water, a scoop. This is about 10 ml. Find the one that is perfect for your taste. Here we're gonna use 2 scoops of coffee and your favorite coffee mug. Now, the coffee that I chose for today is the Illy. It's Italian and it's a blend of 100% Arabica. Now, why did I choose the one that is marked for the coffee machine and not for the French press? Is because the one for the press is a coarse coffee and it does not release the flavor as good. Here, this is fine ground coffee. And if you use it in the press, you can filter it just as good and you will get an enormous rich flavor from Illy. And I have tried more coffee beans from around the world that you can even imagine. I can tell you, this coffee is absolutely phenomenal. And I'm not affiliated with it whatsoever. Although it's medium roast, I would say it falls between medium and dark. So both medium lovers and dark roast lovers would really enjoy this cup of this coffee. So this is a brand new can, and I'm going to show you how fresh it is. Now, I wish you could smell it in video, but I'm sure you've heard it. So what we're gonna do is take 2 flat spoons, okay, and you want to experiment to find the right flavor for yourself. I like 2 flat spoons, 10 ml each, and then you add your boiling hot water. And the beauty of this, you do not need to let it sit for a long time. 30 seconds is more than enough, to be honest, because the coffee is ground and the flavor will be released almost immediately. And I highly recommend that you warm up your cup. And this cup is clean, so I'm just gonna pour hot water in it, and I'm gonna put it back into the kettle. Now, I enjoy my coffee black. So you press down. Now, if you enjoy milk or sugar, by all means, make sure you add it. And this is the richest, most delicious hot cup of coffee you can ever have. Enjoy. Oh, wow, I love it.